In the Ibachi, an individual has everything it takes to do what their chi brought them into the world to do. This is the space of your spirit that your Ikenga sits. Your Ikenga is your physical and spiritual will, your ability to actualize what you desire through your own efforts, or the kinetic force of your chi moving through time and space. This is also the space where your Amumu sits, or your manifesting ability, your ability to make your desires an actuality without force or motion, but through the sheer force of manifestation. Both the Ikenga is the masculine force an individual has in the world, while the Amumu is the feminine.
Lesson 1. The Supreme Being. The universe or the cosmos is a system with its macro and microspheres. The problem Christians and people of other religious concepts have is the problem of variation in tongues, languages, and interpretation of divine messages. This accounts for misconceptions in the belief of who is the real, actual, and genuine God, and how to go about worshiping Him. First and foremost, we have to understand that there is only one Supreme Being in the cosmos or the universe of the universe. He is known as the Central Sun, Revelation chapter 3, verse 16b, and also chapter 21, verse 23. The central sun is not this very sun we see in the daytime. The central sun is the kinetic nuclear energy that sustains all created universes of the universe, that is, the light. The energy of the light and its essence is what sustains the whole universe, including the forms of human and all other created things. This is he who in Igbo cosmos or cosmogony or cosmology is called Chi and Okike. He is also the one called Anyanwu, while in philosophy he is called Being. In English, God. Jews knows him as Yahweh or Jehovah. In Yoruba they call him Olorun, in Hausa Ubangidi, and so on according to the various language translations. Now, as I stated earlier, the central sun is not this very physical sun that we see here daily. No, the daily sun we see is part of this our terrestrial world. The central sun is not part of the terrestrial world. The ancient Igbo worshipped the central sun, which is the invisible energy that ensouls the shining orbs of the cosmos. This terrestrial world in which you are seeing the moon, the sun, the stars, the galaxies, nebulae, and infinity shining orbs in the cosmos is the macro manifestation of the microcosmos. The macrocosmos is a world of dimensions and realms of realities and or actualities. It is the world of manifestations. This is the world in which we live, whereas the micro-universe or heaven is the realms of potentialities or becoming, where things are created before they take forms here when they manifest. Hence, in the condensing of power, This central invisible sun began to scatter and radiate itself in the forms of visible shining orbs like the daily physical sun, moon, stars, etc. within our solar system, giving form and fulfillment to our own world. This is the only being supreme, the sole energy source that flows through the entire universe to sustain it. It is the only power and power source that rules and governs the universe. There is none other. To him alone belongs the worship of all religions. He say, in the next lesson, we will be talking about the religion of IGBO. We expect your reactions and questions on the topic above. Thanks for joining us. Do not forget to share. Nkem, Dirim.
Igbo amaka.